So as you can see, it comes with this nifty little holder that you can hang anywhere, or if you don't want to use this, you can obviously put them in your toolbox. But I like them in this holder, and how they come out is real easy, and how they go back in is, you know, pretty simple. And then now we're going to get into showing you what each one is. So the first one that we're going to do here is 91807. Okay, and it has this easy one-handed release. And what this is for welding 90-degree corners. It'll clamp your material in a 90-degree corner, which is pretty cool. And this design is set up to have access to your holes. So it's just to creating more access. Like I said, they have an easy one-handed release. Next one, okay, is 91207, and this one is for what they call flat joints. So again, if you had two pieces of metal and you were trying to hold it together, okay, so it's for a flat joint, and this part number is 91207. And this is for a flat joint, so you could either, you know, tack two pieces together or anything like that. Okay, the next one is 91507. And what this one is for, so it's for doing, you know, cornered with flats on one side. On it flange adjustment pliers. But this is a pretty cool system, and it holds it straight and true and all that. You know, very nice. You can put this on there, and it clamps your material, and you have so you can have clean access to TIG welding here, or tack welding, or whatever kind of welding you wanted to do. But it would hold your surfaces together, and again, it's just a different type of, you know, pliers. And this one is 92807. Now this is the coolest one. This one works, let's say you wanted to put these two pieces of material better, but how are you going to clamp inside there? So what this one does is it gives you access to come in through this hole or the circle or whatever you have here. As long as you have enough clearance to get these pliers in there, you can now tack this stuff together. Okay. Also, when we're talking about this epoxy coating, okay, this is 20 times more corrosive resistant than regular chrome plated finish. And also what it does is, with this epoxy finish on here, it reduces the glare when you're welding. And welding spatter will not stick to this, or it greatly reduces the welding splatter sticking to it. So that's why they're, you know, epoxy coated like this, and I actually like this. And again, that easy one-hand operation to release them is great. No more fiddling around, you know, having to do this and all that. And they clamp really well and really easy. So this one is 92507, and this is for doing flanges. So if you had two pieces of material that you wanted to weld in here, as long as it has this lip on there, you can clamp it down there and you know, weld this two things, or hold two pieces of material square next to each other without like magnets and all that stuff. You know how that doesn't work out real well. But anyway, this is the grip-on pliers. It's called the Axial grip set, and you know, I really enjoy having it in the time. I'm going to have so many uses for this. It's going to be great.